Some unscrupulous police elements are collecting money from the livestock vehicles, carrying the poultry birds, carrying piglets, carrying goats from outside. It's a shame on the part of those police fellows collecting money from these poor farmers, our traders, who are bringing the livestock from outside. It's a shame on the part. I will take up this matter with the Honorable In Charge DGP Madam, Khrong Idasisha Nongrang. I am very sure ma'am is very strict. These elements should be brought to book. We are doing so much for doubling the farmer's income. The livestock is key for doubling the farmer's income. The people are suffering because of the price rise in the pork. Our farmers are struggling so hard to bring the pigs and the chicken from outside. How shameless you are to collect money from our poor farmers. You leave the uniform, leave the job and become a farmer and see how difficult is the life. It's ashamed of listening these type of stories from unscrupulous elements within the police department. It's a shame on the part of some of these corrupt cops who are on the highway collecting money from these livestock vehicles. I take it very seriously. I'm very sure I'm writing a DO letter to Madam, the In Charge DGP Madam, to came down so heavily on the police cops who are on the highway collecting money from these livestock trucks. Very sad state if it is true. And I request the media, please expose these type of elements. Not all are corrupt in the police department. There are some wonderful officers, the constables, they are outstanding. But there are some bad guys. The media, I request the media, expose these fellows. Even the livestock vehicle owners who are bringing the livestock from outside, please inform me which cop is collecting money. You are hard working, you are day in and day out, your truck passes through night time, you have to bring only night time this. So imagine whole night you are traveling without sleep, without rest. Is it not shame on the part of this khaki cop guy collecting money from livestock farmers? Shame on that. I am very sure In Charge DGP Madam is very strict and I am very sure she will come down heavily on them. Also I request those truck owners, inform me, my number is there, please. Share my number with any of the truck carrying the livestock, inform me. I will talk to that fellow how much money they want. What is shame? Shame. That's why the prices are going up. So I take your full cooperation and the support in putting an end to this menace. Thank you. The media friends also brought to my notice that some of these livestock farmers, those who are bringing livestock from outside, they are confused about and they are forced to pay some tax. I don't know, Animal Husbandry Department levies no tax. Don't pay any tax to Animal Husbandry Department. There is no such legally levied tax from our traders to bring cattle from outside. Also, any livestock carrying vehicle, do not pay any tax to the Animal Husbandry Department. There is no such legally levied tax. Please spread this word to all our traders not to pay any taxes in the name of Animal Husbandry Department. No. Other check gates, district council, I don't know. I have to inquire. If it is legitimate, yes, rightly pay until with a receipt. Ask for a receipt. Animal Husbandry Department levies no tax. Please, my request the media persons, please translate this into Khasi and the Garo for the benefit of our farmers.